Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Today we're going to learn some English words. Nature and weather English words. Let's start. We will start with nature words. First word. What's this? This is a tree. What was that? I can hear a sound. It's like a zzz. I can't see anything. Tree. Say it with me. Tree. Tree. True. Oh, it's a bee. It was a bee. Oh, this bee was disturbing me. Tree. This is a tree. Say it with me. Tree. Tree. Good job. What's this? This is a flower. 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 And all right, just a flower. 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 And a bee bothering me. Hey, bee, stop bothering me. Let's say the word. Flower. 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 Good job. What's this? This is called grass. Grass. Say it with me. Grass. Grass. And a bee bothering me again. And now she's gone. This bee. All right, again. Grass. 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 Good job. What's this? This is a leaf. Leaf. Say it with me. Leaf. Leaf. Gotcha! There's a bee on that leaf. All right. Let's say it again. Leaf. 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 Good job. What's this? This is called rock. This is a rock. Say it with me. Rock. 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 Good job. Oh, what's this big thing around me? This is a mountain. 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 Say it with me. Mountain. Mountain. And a bee again bothering me with her noise. Where is it now? Oh, she keeps hiding. When I turn around, so now the bee is in there. I can hear the bee. And now it's not anymore. Oh, this bee. So there's a mountain. Mountain. Good job. What's this? This is a river. 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 Say it with me. River. 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 Good job. What about this? This is a lake. 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 Say it with me. Lake. 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 Good job. What about this? You know what this is, right? This is a sun. 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 And a bee near the sun. Isn't that really funny? All right, say it with me. Sun. 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 What's this? We're at the beach. Beach. Say it with me. Beach. Beach. And there's a bee at the beach as well because I can hear the bee. And now when I'm going to turn around, I bet she will just disappear. And the bee is not there anymore. She just wants to bother me. But it's funny. I can agree it's funny. All right, say it with me. Beach. 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 Good job. What's this? This is a moon. 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 Say it with me. Moon. 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 Good job. What's this? This is a forest. 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 Say it with me. Forest. 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 Good job. What about this? This is a desert. 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 And I can hear a bee again. Ah, she's gone again. Anyway, let's go back. What's this? This is the ocean. 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 Say it with me. Ocean. 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 Good job. And now some weather words in English. What's this? This is a cloud. 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 Say it with me. Cloud. And something not suitable near the cloud. There's a bee again near this cloud. She's gone again. She just bothers me with her noise. Let's say again. Cloud. Cloud. Good job. What's this? This is called rain. Yes, you were right. Rain. 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 Say it with me. Rain. 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 Good job. What's this? This is snow. Yes, you are right. Snow. Can you say it with me? Snow. 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 Good job. What's this? This is called thunder. 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 Can you say it with me? Thunder. 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 Oh, and with the thunder there is lightning. 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 Can you say it with me? Lightning. 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 Good job. What's this? This is called fog. 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 Can you say it with me? Fog. 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 Good job. Oh, and what's this? This is a beautiful rainbow. Rainbow. Say it with me. Rainbow. Rainbow. And again, the bee, and she's gone again. Oh, this bee, the funny bee behind me. Let's say the word again. Rainbow. 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 Good job.